Alright, so a few things have changed. I've been on a quest, and I'm here to tell you about it. And yet another super cool unboxing. Alright, so if you followed my channel for a length of time, then you know occasionally I do my secret gaming man videos where I might play a game. I've had a few VR videos up there with my Oculus CV1, my Oculus Rift CV1. I love the headset. I had it since 2016, but it was a pain because of the sensors. You had to have them set up in a certain way, and I have two dogs and they knock them over. And every time I wanted to use it, I have to recalibrate the sensors. And then I added a third sensor so I could do room scale VR. And it was a whole thing. It was a mess. So, as much as I loved it, I was like, it's time to get a new VR headset. And hold on, I know that I just got the PlayStation VR like a week ago. But that was never supposed to be a replacement for my Rift. I got the PlayStation VR because it was a good deal. And there were some VR games on PlayStation that I wanted to play, like Astrobot and Resident Evil 7, that I couldn't play anywhere else. So it's just so I can get the full catalog of VR experiences, but it was never meant to be my primary headset. My primary headset will always be a PC headset, which is why I'm here with the Oculus Quest, which is now a PC headset as well as a standalone headset. So I had to make the choice between getting the Quest and the Rift S. The reason that I stick with Oculus is because their headsets are a little bit on the cheaper side. I know that, you know, there's the Valve Index and whatever the new version of the Vive is, I can't remember, HTC's headset. There's also the Windows Mixed Reality headsets, which are cheaper, but, you know, the quality, who knows. Plus, I've got games on both the Oculus Store and on Steam, and with the Oculus headset, obviously it works with the Oculus Store, but it also works on Steam without any issues or any extra setup. And that's the big thing for me. That's the reason I went with this. The reason I chose this over the Rift S is because now that this has Oculus Link, it works as a standalone headset and you can connect to a computer. Granted, I know that it's not as good a quality as the Rift S as a PC headset. The Rift S has a faster refresh rate and a wider field of view, and the quality is a little bit better from what I've heard around the edges, because this does PC connectivity with one USB-C cable, and the Rift S has the DisplayPort cable, and then it has USB for audio. So, you know, obviously they're going to have to compress the signal more to send it through one cable versus having two separate cables. Anyway, that was a technical mumbo jumbo. What I'm doing today is just unboxing this, kind of showing you what's in the box. I actually don't have the cable yet to do the Oculus Link stuff because Oculus hasn't come out with their official one. They recommended a few on their site. I got the Anker one, but it is not here yet. So I'm going to do another follow-up video kind of showing off how the Oculus Link works. But let's just get this out of the box. Let's see what's in the box today. Alright, we got the main main wrapping off. That was a lot. This is like a slide-off thing. This shows off some of the games, so this does have built-in games. This also comes with Vader Immortal right now. I guess there's 3 episodes. It comes with all the episodes for free if you purchased it around Christmas time. It was like the Black Friday promo, so it's good until December 30th. So you do get that game for free. I also have a few other Oculus games just from, you know, having my original Rift. So I'm not sure if those are compatible. I don't see why they wouldn't be, but we will find out. Okay, so this, boom, that just slides off. That's real nice. Look at that padding on the inside. That's actually kind of cool. It's like a blocky foam. It's rigid, but it's soft, so it won't damage the headset. Respected. The packaging, Oculus has always had really good packaging. Now this is the coup de grace, the Cootie Groody. It tells you to go to the App Store and download the app so you can set it up. But I did read that this thing is front heavy. It definitely feels like it is front heavy. This has the inside out tracking, so tracking is built into the headset. It's completely wireless. And then you have the updated controllers. So this is left and right. I kind of like the way these feel. They're a little bit lighter. The buttons are a lot easier to press. I like the original one had like a rigidness to it. It sounds very like clicky. like springy. I was making sure nothing was loose in there. That did kind of concern me. But the original touch controllers were a lot more rigid. These are a lot lighter. Overall, nice controllers. They probably feel light because there's no batteries in it. I just thought about that. So the whole front of it slides off. One battery that goes in each. So very similar to the original ones. I think they do feel a little bit better. They definitely are a lot easier to put down. Then you got your box of goodies here. So you open that up. You got your charging brick, USB-C, and then you got some kind of visor contraption. And then, oh, it comes with the batteries. That's kind of cool. So it actually comes with the batteries in here. What kind of brands we talking about? Brand is important. These are just PS. What is this? What is this? Come on, Oculus. You skipped them. You gave me Energizer last time. Come on. Alright, and you've got a pretty long USB-C cable here. Unfortunately, this does not work with the Oculus Link. It's just a charging cable, so I think it does data too, but it's not fast enough to do the Link stuff. So you have to have like a super fast cable. Oh, that's cool. So this is an attachment for people that wear glasses like me. My vision's not that bad where I have to wear glasses through VR, but it's really nice that they include this in there. All right, let's pop the top off this thing. Boom. It says no liquid cleaners. All right, let's get an idea of the fit here. I will say that the Rift S as a headset does have a better design than this. It seemed like it was more, it was easier to put on and it was more comfortable. This is really close to the original Rift, but I will say that this head strap is a lot more comfortable. Like, yeah, this is front heavy for sure because all of the components are in here. But I have to try it for a lengthier amount of time to really give you a full judgment. But I don't think that it's, it doesn't seem like it's that heavy. Like, it doesn't seem like it's that bad. Alright, so I'm guessing this is like a power button on the front. You got a volume switch down here. You got your lens adjustments. These are the cameras for the inside-out tracking here on the front. I think these are 2 headphone jacks on each side of the headset, so if you buy headphones. These have built-in speakers that kind of blast the sound into your ear. And then this is probably going to be to adjust the ocular part of it. So if your eyes are like all close together or far away, then boom, that's how you adjust it. So I'll definitely be doing more content on this. I'm really excited about it. Like I said, I was probably all in on the Rift S before the Oculus Link stuff came out. And I'm willing to give up the quality to have the option to play it completely wireless or to play it, or still play all my PC games that I already owned. I don't know why I can't complete sentences right now. But anyway, I'll be doing more content on this, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to get more. Tell a friend, tell a coworker, and always do at least 2 things at the same time. I'm off to the virtual world.